Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix iMessage check-in not working on iPhone in iOS 17 or later. With iMessage check-in, you can automatically notify your family or friends when you get to your destination or keep track of your friend's arrival at a destination. If your friend hasn't arrived as expected, you can check the important information such as their location, device battery percentage, cellular signal, and more. While this feature works as expected, many have reported that it is ill-functioning for them. But bother not, as I have found out some workable solutions to fix the problem. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, ensure that everyone has iOS 17 installed on their devices. Bear in mind that iMessage check-in requires all iPhones for both the sender and the recipient to be running iOS 17 or later. Since this is a must-have requirement, be sure your devices are updated with the latest iteration of iOS. Next up, you should be fully aware of the fact that check-in is not available everywhere. Note that iMessage check-in is not available in every country or region, so be sure to check if this brand new iOS 17 feature has been rolled out in your region or not. To do so, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Now head over to a chat thread. Then tap on the plus button at the bottom. Now select More in the menu. Now if check-in appears in the menu, it means this feature has been rolled out in your region. But if it doesn't show up here, you can't do anything but wait until Apple rolls out in your country or region. Then ensure that Messages app can use your location. Another important requirement that you must check up beforehand while trying to fix the Apple check-in issues on your iPhone is to ensure that the Apple Messages app can use your location. On your iPhone, head into the Settings app. Now tap on Privacy and Security. Then tap on Location Services. Now find the Messages app and choose While Using. For a better location tracking experience, make sure that the toggle next to Precise Location is turned on as well. Next up, I would recommend you to disable the airplane mode on your iPhone. If your cellular connection is poor, it could be the prime reason why Apple check-in is not working as expected. The easiest way to fix the sluggish cellular connection is to use the airplane mode. Just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. Then tap on the airplane mode icon to turn it on and off. Now, I would recommend you to hard reset your iPhone. This one has long been a go-to savior when dealing with common problems like this one. As you have already guessed, we will give this solution a chance as well. Simply press and release the volume up button on your iPhone. Then press and release the volume down button. After that, you have to hold down the side button aka the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Then I would suggest you to enable iMessage on your iPhone. At times, all you need to do to bring the malfunctioning iMessage back on track is to just disable and enable it. On your iOS device, open the Settings app. Now scroll down and select Messages. And finally, turn off the toggle next to iMessage. Now reboot your iPhone. And once your iPhone has rebooted, turn on iMessage. After that, I will recommend you to reset the network settings on your iPhone. For times when a cellular connection is not working as expected, I make sure to give this radical solution a chance as well. And I must admit that it doesn't let me down on most occasions. So if you don't mind re-entering your Wi-Fi password, be sure to give it a go as well. On your iPhone, open the Settings app. Now tap on General. Then scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm the action. And finally, I will recommend you to update the software on your iPhone, as there is a high chance that a software bug might be behind this issue. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. And finally, download and install the latest iOS and iOS, and that's pretty much it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix iMessage check-in not working on iPhone running iOS 17 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.